Are you looking for the best pocket multimeter? In this video, we will break down the top 4 pocket multimeters on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. XDEC EX505 Cat4 600 volts True RMS Industrial Multi-Meter. Most modern multimeters are strong and reliable, but they lack something that professional electricians love: a rugged design and a tough housing. This device has it all: high performance, great features and a sturdy design that prevents the device from breaking even when falling from 6-foot heights. The great thing about this multimeter is that it is waterproof. Also, it has a large display with a bar graph and a lot of buttons that are easy to use while troubleshooting. It has a 1000 volts input protection on all of its functions and a diode open circuit voltage of 2.8 VDC. This device is suitable for home and professional use. It includes a carry case and a 9 volts battery, so you don't have to invest in any other accessories. At number 2. WePro VPro 850L Digital Multimeter DC-AC Voltmeter. You can get a pretty good gadget without having to break the bank. If you're on the hunt for a great, multifunctional, feature-rich device that's just as effective as it's pocket-friendly, you can't go wrong with the WePro VPro 850L Digital Multimeter. It accurately measures AC/DC voltage from as low as 200 mV up to 600 volts. It also measures DC up to 10A and resistance up to 2 megaohms. Its built-in backlit LCD allows you to view the readings even in dimly lit conditions. The fact that it is backed by a lifetime after-sales guarantee is a definite plus in my books. At number 3. Klein Tools 69149 Multimeter Test Kit, Klein Multimeter. Klein Tools Updated Electrical Test Kit contains the MM300, Manual Ranging Digital Multimeter, the NCTV1, Non-Contact Voltage Tester, and the RT105, Receptacle Tester. What really stands out about this test kit are the accessories. The NCTV1 is perfect for automatically detecting standard voltage in cables, cords, circuit breakers, lighting fixtures, switches, outlets, wires, and many other areas. The RT105 adds further functionality to the multimeter kit by allowing the user to detect the most common wiring problems in standard receptacles, such as open ground, open hot, and open neutral, hot/ground reversals. The Klein Tools 69149 is a great choice for an all-in-one multimeter kit to conduct standard electrical tests around the house. At number 4. Anbis Soldering Iron Kit 60 watts Adjustable Temperature Welding Tool. It's a reliable and high-quality kit with a variety of components. Featuring a soldering iron tool with adjustable temperature, it makes welding a piece of cake. Others include 8-in-1 screwdriver, anti-static tweezers, and wire stripper cutter among others. To ensure you have an easy time identifying the problem, the kit comprises a digital multimeter. Therefore, it's simple to enjoy great accuracy when you are repairing electrical components in various appliances. Featuring a large LCD screen, there is no struggling when reading figures. On the other hand, it can measure AC, DC diodes and continuity test among others. For secure storage, the POO carry bag that facilitates storability.